Greetings from Brandon's Beach in Bridgetown, Barbados. It is 3 p.m. on the 6th of January 2025, and I'm exploring the last beach for today, as I only have 1 hour left until I need to be on board on the ship that's 1.5 kilometers in that direction. I can see the ship with lights at least. And I came here from the Rihanna Drive, the famous road where the famous singer Rihanna was born and raised here. It is very close to this beach, just 1 kilometer, so I guess she was chilling on this beach quite often as a child. And it's quite a nice beach. To be fair, if I compare, it's a bit less, it's not as great as Carlisle Bay on the other side, but it's more peaceful. There are a lot less people. It's not so touristic with so many sunbeds. And I see there at the end of it, there is one beach called Brighton that I'm also want to see, as it looks so amazing on the pictures. And also from here it looks like Paradise Beach. So this is how Brandon's Beach looks like. It's just next to the road, the main road in Barbados that leads to the port, and I guess also to the airport. As I see now, a plane is standing as we speak. So people not just come to Barbados for a one-day stop on their cruise. You can come also here on vacation, obviously. But I don't think there are many tours from Sweden. But I guess from the Great Britain, they have lots of tours and charter flights, because Barbados used to be a British colony, and they have a lot of tourists from Great Britain, United Kingdom that is. So, alright, let's then check out the water here, how it is inside. Oh, there's a crab that's very bright. There are many of them. Look at that. You see it? It's moving, but it's like almost the same color as the sand. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. I've seen a few actually previously. Brandon's Beach, as I was saying, it is 29 degrees Celsius in the air currently, and 28.2 in the sea over here. And Barbados is not so huge island, but 300,000 people, that is total in the island, and around the capital city 100,000. I think it's the 10th largest island by population out of 16 sovereign, I mean the countries that are sovereign in the Caribbean, as there are many islands that belong to France, the Netherlands, Great Britain, US, and some more maybe that I missed. But yeah, so today was a bit of a mixed with sun and clouds, but I guess the sun has got to me a lot. And okay, here we have also rock formations inside. So the same like Drill Hill Beach on the other side of Carlisle. So it's only Carlisle that has less rock formations, as there were a few on some spots there, but mostly it was sand. So you can swim though anyway, as I'm not sure if there is some sea urchins or something. So I need to be a bit careful, as I have 5 more days of the cruise. I don't want to ruin those. As tomorrow we are going to Antigua and Barbuda, but on the island of Antigua, as it's 2 islands. So, but I can technically say that it is Antigua and Barbuda, because that's the country it's called. Alright, let's then go for a swim at Brandon's Beach in Bridgetown, Barbados. Let's roll! Alright, it is not as deep as I thought that it would be. I'm not standing on a huge rock formation, but at least I got a nice swim anyway, in short swim. Let's see if I can go a bit further. It's very shallow here, as there are rocks everywhere. And the waves are also catching up as well. So Yeah, the beach is amazing, but the sea not the best, and that's why there are no visitors on this beach. So I'm gonna go. Ow! I think I have stepped on something. So let's get out before it's too late. Oh, I stepped on something very pointy. Let's see what it is. Okay. Okay, now I'm back in the stem. I hope it's nothing critical, because I felt like something got into the foot. Like, yeah. We're gonna check the CT tonight if it's gonna have some pain or not. But anyway, that was a very short swim here at Brandon's Beach. Now I will go all the way to the next one, Brighton's Beach, as the last stop. Hopefully it is sandy there and beautiful. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.